That's very comfortable. Hi dear viewers, this is the introductory video to our upholstery course. We have made our own upholstery. You might think that this thing I've just popped down on is a cloud. It's not, it's our future airplane seats. So I wanted to sort of demonstrate to you guys the various components we will be explaining in this next series of videos. This is our seat back. Like this is another one of them. You can see there's various interesting pieces to this. Notably the embroidery, we'll have a video on that. The zipper, we'll have a video on that. The foam, we'll have a video on that. And the general sort of like construction, you might notice there's interesting markings left over on these seats. What are those and how did we make these beautiful patterns? All of this we will explain in a video. For now though, I wanted to showcase to you guys, here are our seats and here are the factory seats. So, not so bad, huh? Obviously, our seats are less shaped than the factory seats, but overall I think it's quite good. And one thing you might notice is that our seats have little airplanes embroidered on them. The factory ones do not. As you can see by all of this embroidery around me, it was not straightforward getting the airplanes to come out correctly. In fact, for the most part, they did not come out correctly. The other thing I wanted to show you guys in this initial video was to highlight some of the materials we're using. So this is what's called ultra leather. It's a fake leather, but it's like very fancy fake leather. They use it in Vance aircraft all the time. It's like flame retardant. It's like rubbing. It's rubbing resistant. I don't know what you call it. They tested it for 100,000 cycles. It doesn't rub off. It doesn't crack in the cold. We tried this by putting a couple of swatches in the freezer and they come out just like the day we put them in the freezer. They are also quite thin, so they're easy to sew. And they're a very cute color. They come in all sorts of colors. So that's the ultra leather side of this. The other side of the materials is the foam. So here's like the fancy foam we're using. It's from Dynamic Systems. It's the Sunmate Overstock. So here's like an example of the kind of stickers they come with, but essentially they have different densities. And this is the extra firm foam, and you can see it's like quite stiff. You can bend it like cardboard. It like, you slap it on the ground, it sounds like a mat. It's like very stiff. And this is their medium soft foam. So this is what we're using as like a top layer on top of this extra foam. And you can see like in contrast to the extra firm, it's quite soft. It's like memory foam. And this stuff has the nice benefit of being like some sort of crash resistant properties. And so like it'll help support your frame in the event of a crash. And it is also flame rated. So that's nice. Anyway, so if this is interesting to you, if you would like to continue watching, we will post several more videos on adjacent topics in this series, and hopefully you guys find it interesting. I'll post a link to our blog post below where you can find more details about the process and some spoilers for what's coming in the videos. Thank you so much, and hope you're having a good night there. Bye.